welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are in our barn and we have to continue on here and we have to make a bathroom downstairs. So it requires to clean up this giant mess. It's been a mess and it's been very annoying because we cannot get our bikes in and tripping over everything. So it's finally time to clean it up. And we decided to show you guys because it's more interesting than just all of it flipping in the next video being clean. So we can show it and be beautiful. So first thing we gotta do is actually go move the trailer and bring all this wood out there in the sun. Because currently here in this pile, the way it's stacked is actually more wet than it would be if it was under the weather with proper ventilation gaps. So we're gonna get it all out and drying. So it's a few weeks later, Desmond had her surgery, so we had to take a bit of a break, and now we are back. We actually got the news, we are getting the excavator soon, so we actually have to hurry up and clean this. So we did clean the woods last time, and now we have to clean up the rest of the mess, and we have to get it all ready just so we can dig in the pipes, because that's the most important, is to get the pipes in. Once the pipes are in, we can start laying in the concrete, and we're gonna be good. But yeah, let's clean up all the rest of the mess, figure out where this fridge goes, and, well, everything goes really. Because it kind of has to come out of here and go somewhere. So that's going to be the hardest part. Let's get started.
But we're slowly decluttering.
Yeah, we're decluttering. We're throwing things out. Most useful basket ever. A brick and glasses. A brick. So the back is all clear, and we gotta work on the front part, which is to free up this one, because we need to take all these concretes out, and currently a lot of things are sitting on them, so we will have to take them out and then be able to dig here. So it's gonna be quite a lot of work in here in the upcoming videos. So let's get started and clean all this up, and then we're gonna be done for today, and it's gonna be ready for the next thing. So, as you can see, we are done, and we also removed the concrete pads that we had here, and it felt bad removing them since they were so nicely kind of flattened in and nice and stiff, but they have to go because we are putting concrete floors in here, and that was kind of just temporary fix on the dirt, and now we're gonna put proper floors, but we also need them gone because we need to dig the trench here for sewage and water, so that's gonna come through here, and now we are ready for the job with the wall. So you're gonna see that in the upcoming videos, probably what's gonna happen with the wall. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.